Hey everybody, Crypto Hulk. This is Malaysia. A very beautiful city. Awesome food. One day, hey, I like this place, but let's get back to this. Malaysia and Cambodia, they're launching cross-border payments. I want you to see all the connections. Tranglo and Ripple are all over Malaysia. Here you have Malaysia right here. Ripple partner, we can see that. Next, we got Malaysia and Ripple becoming partners there. We got Soramitsu Hyperledger with Cambodia. Now that's all mixed in because Tranglo is a Ripple partner all about Bangladesh, Cambodia, China, Indonesia, Nepal, Pakistan, Philippines, Vietnam, and more. All these connections right here. Ripple Indonesia 2015, nobody's got that. Ripple Singapore, nobody has that back in 2016. My name's Crypto Hulk, live stream coming at you Saturday morning, about 7 a.m. Pacific. See you there.